Good morning, class. Sale promotion is a new topic in marketing. This topic we discuss today. What is sale promotion? We discuss this concept with the help of a simple meaning given by George W. Hopkins. Sale promotion is an organized effort applied to the selling job to secure the greatest effectiveness for advertising and dealers' help. Means if you want the benefit of advertisement, benefit of dealers help, you have to push your sale with the help of sale promotion components. These sales promotion components may be we include the advertisement, personal selling effectiveness, or we can say some free offers, some free gains to the customer, some some coupons or some sort of percentage reduced in the prices. Okay, all these things which are required means this is not simple promotion, this is sale promotion to enhance the sale, to increase the sale. If we use some sort of campaign which directly or indirectly provide benefit to the consumer, that is sale promotion. Because ultimately if consumer benefited, then consumer will definitely come again to your organization for lifetime loyalty achieved with the help of even sale promotion. Now here there are certain tools of sale promotion. Tool number one is basically for consumer promotion, then for dealer promotion, and last one is sale force promotion. So the first thing in promotion, what is consumer sale promotion? Consumer sale promotion is the aim to at reaching the customer at his home or her home in office. Its aim is to inform or educate the consumer about the product. In basically success in the sale depend upon the consumer cooperation. If consumer not cooperate now, they will not get the benefit, like, because these are straight benefits which are meant for customer only. So we have a very first one, that is sampling. What is sampling? Free samples are given to the consumers to increase the interest, to increase their interest toward the product. Okay, so this is one of the common feature which is basically used by the different companies. Like when you purchase the soap, you have a sachet of detergent, or when you buy a detergent, you got a small soap with it, or tea and coffee. We have so many schemes in the market available. So the samples may be delivered door to door, sent sometime even sent by mail, or sometime the sample is provided by the store. Then we have coupons. What do you mean by coupon? It is a certificate. It is a certificate that reduces prices. Coupon can be mailed enclosed with the packet, inside the packet. Say you buy McDonald's, you buy one product, one burger from McDonald's. So they offer you one coupon inside the box, and you use that coupon for further purchase. So in that manner, they try to increase the sale volume in the market. To introduce a new product, we use coupon. To increase the sale, we use coupon. To sell the new product at larger amount, we use the coupon. To encourage repeated sale, to encourage the repeated sale, we use coupon. Then we have demonstration. This is the topic. This is the method of sale promotion through which we promote the sale of a new brand or a new product, right? A product is demonstrated by the manufacturer, and different different fairs and different exhibitions, religious festival, door to door basis. Sometime people try to demonstrate the product, specifically house appliances, cars, scooter, etc. Then we have contests. Contests are conducted to attract the customer for the new product. In that case, we ask some say 5 or 6 questions from the customer. If customer win, then company provide them like any kind of prize, money, or any gift, right? Then we have money refund offer. What do you mean by money refund offer? Offer is generally started in the media advertising. It means the manufacturer will return the price if the product is not to be satisfaction of the consumer. Then we have premium. What is premium? A premium may be defined as an article of merchandise or things of the value which is offered as an inducement to purchase a product. There are certain schemes in this category. Premium is of 3 4 types, like reusable container. If you use reusable container like plastic jars, plastic containers in case of Bonvita or something. Free in mail premium. In this na gifts which will sent free of cost by manufacturer to the buyer by mail after the purchase, sent the proof of purchase such as the box top, etc. Self-liquidating premium, like sometime this method of sending an item by mail to the customer at considerably low price. It is offered only to those customers who purchase goods from the company, right? Then we have trading stamps. It is given for the purchase of the product in a particular shop. It is the premium given to the consumer by selling in the form of stamps. These stamps are useful for further reasons. Further, if you want to buy something or factory in pack premium. Sometime company pay the premium, give the gift in to a person, that is factory built premium. For example, in Nescafe coffee, time to time, they were and they will introduce certain schemes related with a cup inside the box, that is known as factory in pack premium. Shopkeeper can't withdraw the thing because that is very much written on the product. Then we have bargain offers. Bargain, it is an offer to the customer, to the consumer, or certain amount of money off the regular price of the product. In this case, the consumer is offered a price reduction over the printed, right? This is done to attract more and more customer. Then we have free trial. It consists of inviting people for the free trial session. Free trial session basically a kind of hope. If someone say, if 100 people attend that free trial session, if suppose 5% people only purchase that thing, your effort will go for good direction. Then we have reduction sale. What do you mean by reduction sale? This is clearance sale. This method is particularly used by so many stores ki they show that they want to sell their product because in the near future, in a very near future, maybe product will obsolete, or on concessional rates they provide you the product like Bata shoes, etc. After sale service is another product producers given a guarantee to the consumer to maintain the product for certain specified period of time, right? Then we have this example of sale promotion. This is pizza, buy one get one free. This is all about sale promotion. This thing pushed the local dealer because after seeing this advertisement, people came to him and then asked for the you know ask for benefit, right? Then we have another example of sale promotion on refrigerator C. There is an off that is up to rupees 9,000 off. You have to read terms and condition for the same, but this thing definitely improvise the sale of the company. Then we have dealers sale promotion. Dealer sale promotion is basically for from manufacturer to the dealer who actually really sold the thing to different retailers or sometimes directly to the customer through the dealer, not directly sold the item, but through wholesaler, retailer, or middleman, they try to sell their product, right? So display allowance, this is display and advertisement allowance. This is the method key the manufacturer provide dealers display company's product at their premises. For this, they are given display and advertising allowance by the company. Then we have buying allowance. The buying allowance or the discount on the purchase is offered to the debtor to induce them to purchase the company's product only during a stated period of time. Buyback allowance. What is buyback allowance? The dealer is offered by the company an allowance of certain amount of money at the time of each purchase, right? Then we have free as material, right? In this particular method, dealers are provided free advertising material by the company to the store, and even they provide them some money also, right? Then we have sales contests. These sales contests are meant only and only for all the dealers, right? And these dealers, suppose if they win, so they sometime earn receive gift like LEDs, mobile phone, costly mobile phones, etc. Then we have dealers listed, dealers list. A dealer list is an advertising. It gives a list of dealers or retailers, the company, the stock, the product, or who are engaged in promotion. Means, for example, advertisement of Bombay dyeing in newspaper carries the name of the stock list of their product also, right? Consumers can buy the product from anywhere which are listed in the from anyone of the listed dealer. Consumer can buy the product from anyone of the registered or listed dealer. Cooperative advertising. What is cooperative advertising? Dealers spend money in advertising the manufactured product. The dealer can claim an allowance by giving the proof of advertisement key. They suppose gave you one Almira or one refrigerator for promotion only. In that case, it is your duty to run the show and give the proof to the person in charge, because otherwise there is no use of cooperative, there is no use of any kind of sale promotion program, because this program directly hit the dealer. Then we have free tours. That is a very obvious thing. If you win your target, in that case, certain continuous period, they offer you free hours session. Free hour, like this is an indirect advertising. Free tour means like, sorry, it did include railway, bus fare, hotel charges, and other miscellaneous expenses incurred during a given period of time. Then we have dealer's gift. These gifts are like, clock, watch, anything, LED, washing machine, etc. Then we have point of purchase. This plays a very important role. Point of purchase is also known as dealer's aid, dealer's display, dealer's hope. So it means advertising at the point of purchase by the consumer. It is generally at the level of retailer's shop. For example, floor display, stand, overhead sign, wall signs, etc. They are very much, required, because ultimately this is the point of purchase where people try to visit and take their decision regarding the product. Then we have sale force promotion. That force promotion include the channel of distribution. The role of the salesman is low. right? Sale promotion, I'm telling you again what is sale force promotion. As dealer and consumer protection promotion, the sale force promotion also is necessary one. The activities of sale force must be induced. The channel of distribution, the role of salesman is very important. So the tool of Salesforce promotion are bonus to Salesforce. Salesforce means the persons which are actually directly linked with the customer. The manufacturer set the target for each. If the sales forces sell the product above the target sale, then bonus offered. Then we have sale force contests. Sale force contest means the contests which are meant for stimulate companies salesmen to double their interest and effort over a stated period of time by the top to the top performers. Sales meeting, salesmen, conventions, and conferences. These are conducted by the manufacturer for the purpose of educating, inspiring, rewarding of the salesman. New product and new selling techniques are described and discussed. Now, these are conducted. These are conducted by the manufacturer for the purpose of educating, inspiring, and rewarding the salesman. Right? Means with the help of sale promotion, na, we push the sale and create a better incentive in consumers to make the purchase, to give direct inducement of the consumers to take immediate action. All these are very much required for the sale promotion. Sale promotion means ultimately because of these dealers, the dealers promotion or your consumer promotion, dealer promotion, sale for promotion. All three are important. All three are required basically to run the show, because normal promotion only give you the way, but sale promotion try to uh, give you the final product, which is very much required to run the business. Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will meet